Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I just recently came from Trader Joe's, so I wanted to show you guys what exactly we did get out of there, other than from what the clips were showing of what was in mine. This is my first time going to Trader Joe's today, so I hope that you guys stay tuned for what I did get out of there. This looks yummy. Okay, and honestly, we did not get anything out of Trader Joe's. I didn't see anything fallish that I would have wanted or needed. And of course, she's upset that they didn't have the fruit dots in there. So I told her she can't blame me for it, you know. Things run out and they don't know if they're gonna even get them back in stock, so.
It takes a lot of time to put them.
What? Alright, so now that we're out of Kroger's, I did get everything I needed, which was basically the corn and the crab legs. But I also got a couple of other things while I was in there. So we got like some ice cream, or like the frozen icy things. I got a bottle of wine, and I got 2 fall candy assortments, and then I did get like a poster, Hocus Pocus, to put on my wall. I did grab Charles a fall mug just so he can have, since he bought me one. And then I got some ginger because I needed that in order to try out this drink that I seen someone do as far as juicing. I do think that for Christmas I am going to ask for a juicer. I just don't know like if I really want one, because we have so many like appliances now. You know, like we have like the small crock pot, we have the larger crock pot, we have the toaster, we have the air fryer, and then we have the Mr. Coffee Iced, and then we have the single serve Keurig machine over in the kitchen as well. So I don't want to like add more space. So I'm trying to debate like if I really want a juicer for Christmas, and if so, I need to figure out one that I actually want, you know, that's going to satisfy me. So while I'm at this red light, we got some milk chocolate caramel apple Ghirardelli squares. These are the fall assortment ones, where it's milk chocolate with caramel apple, milk chocolate with caramel, and dark chocolate with sea salt caramel. I also got Charles a little small pack of the Sour Patch Kids Stranger Things edition. Sky got blue raspberry gummy bears, and then the ginger root is right there. And I did get some espresso type of coffee grinds, just so you guys can see right there. I got the espresso style. This is the sign that I had got, where it says Hocus Pocus on a shirt. I thought it'd be really cute to have. So I wanted to get some apples. So here's the mug that I had got Charles for fall, since he got me the other one. Alright, so I got this bag of crab legs. This was almost 3 pounds, and now the crab legs are $19.99. So I ended up paying that much for 3 pounds. Also, I decided to get this piece of fish. It was $2.16. This is tilapia. I am going to bake this in the oven first, and then I'll add this into my seafood boil today. Alright, so next I had, well last, I had got the Real Italian Ice. This is lemon and strawberry. We got the strawberry Moscato, and then I had got corn for the seafood boil. And so also Charles wanted some shrimp for his seafood boil. So shrimp today was like $7.99 a pound. So I ended up paying $8.07 for that. And then here's the ear of corn. I'm just gonna be using about 1 or 2. So yeah, that's what I got from Kroger. In the meantime, I'm heading over to grab, actually I'm gonna run into Sally's because it's about that time. I'm tired of seeing my hair this way, this color, and I'm really tired of it breaking off so much. So it's just time that your girl go back to her favorite color. All right, so I'm here at Sally's. And we're back at the car. All right, so from Sally's, I ended up getting this lunch cooler tote. It was cheetah. Has a couple different pockets. It's lightweight. And yeah. I think that was like $19.99. Doesn't say on here. But anyways, I also got the 40 volume developer. This was on sale for $6.99. It's tea tree and jojoba, if that's how you say it. Hair and scalp oil. It smells so good. I had to get it. And then not only did I get 2 of the red hots, I also got the 2 of the intense red. So yeah, of course, yeah, $63 later. But that's what happens when you really are ready to go back to what you like. So we're gonna head literally like right across the street over to Krispy Kreme and get some donuts. So they have these donuts right here, and we're gonna get them. Like that, we have our haunted house donuts. There's a way that you can peek inside and open up the door. I will show you guys these once I get in the house. So we got this, what was it?
The cat ones?
The scaredy cat, the boo, the orange with the sprinkles, and then the spider webs. Read my mind, girl. So for this part of the video, I decided to run to Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to show you all a glimpse into the store just in regular speed, because there's a lot of great items that Hobby Lobby has, and of course what you see is what's going to be on sale when the fall season comes to an end and whatever is still in stock. So these are great items that would make a great decoration for your front porch, or if you have a back porch, or if you just like to have it in your home for home decor and home decorations. Either way, Hobby Lobby is one of my favorite places because it's definitely cheaper than Michael's and Joann's. There is a lot of great things that you can find in Hobby Lobby. One thing for sure, they're never going to disappoint me on the fall, as well as the red and black buffalo plaid. And so one of the great things about Hobby Lobby is that everything is so organized in here, and it's well put together, and definitely it's well worth the money. I wish that We had a local one that's more closer, but this one is roughly about an hour away from me. And of course, I wouldn't mind buying some white and black plaid to go along with my red and black plaid. And I love how this year for fall, they're incorporating the sunflower into the fall decor. One thing I would love to have is those right there. I did not get these. I should have, but I did not. So it is that time of year where I wanted to make a fall simmer pot, and so this is the way you make your house smell like fall. So you're going to need 4 to 6 cinnamon sticks. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to need an orange rind, where you're just going to take the orange and cut around the outside, and that's what you're going to use. You're also going to use 3 to 5 bay leaves, as well as 2 tablespoons of whole cloves, and then you're going to fill a pot with water and let it simmer. So I went ahead, filled the pot up with water. I went ahead and stuck in the 4 to 6 cinnamon sticks, so I had just enough to put into this pot. These especially were on sale during the time that I wanted to make the fall pot, where I bought 2 of these and got 1 free, and so I'll be able to use a bunch of these. What I also had to do was add in the 3 to 5 bay leaves, and so I really tried to keep it to a bare minimal, because I do use these things for like baking, and I also use them for just smell goods around the house. And so with the 2 tablespoons of whole cloves, I went ahead and put those in. I did not turn my stove on until I put everything in. Here's that 1 teaspoon of vanilla going in, and then the orange rind, I just literally took a knife and cut around it and then peeled it off. I then turned it on to medium because this was the first time I used this and wanted it to simmer. You can also turn it back on and let it reheat and have your house smelling like fall. Again, it definitely is amazing.